In this video, I'll show you how to easily restore the Messages app icon to your iPhone home screen. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes, and let's get started. The simplest way to get the Messages app icon back on your home screen or dock is by using the search feature. To access it, swipe down on your home screen and start typing Messages. You should see the app appear in the results. Now, all you need to do is drag the Messages app icon. Just keep your finger on it and move it to your desired position on the grid. You can also place it in the dock if you like. Once you are satisfied with their placement, tap on an empty area of the screen to save the changes. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.